Sir, please carry out with slides.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Sarab sir na ay sak takpi kre. Amuka hanna ay introduce tawjage. Ay gaming Rajesh Hayrom ay Kongu Chikondagi ni. Ngasi inkhalaliba youth amadi job seeker singidamak direct selling business company amagi matangda share tawjage. Masi achoba career oiba yaba business opportunity amani. Karnataka State Open University dadi direct sales asi subject ama oina tamba hokre aduga as per FICCI and KPMG Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce nasu predict tawre 1.8 crore youth will be doing this business in India by 2025 Government asina sumiyoi kya thabak piba ngamgadage traditional business ama tawse harbasu achoba capital laite direct selling dadi achoba capital mathau laite you can start with a very minimum amount so never let to join to do a direct selling business. What is direct selling? History of direct selling. Direct selling in Indian scenario. Direct selling have the company to consumer have any company ga consumer ga gi marakta kanamata laitaba. Product distribute taunaba system amani. Traditional business the factory cost 30%, dealer, distributor, wholesaler, retailer gi 50%, company ki profit 20%. This distributor, dealer, wholesaler, retailer gi 50% se direct selling the akoi isana phangjaba business amani aduna product use tawba aduga recommend tawraga 50% adu akoina phangjabani. Direct selling se USA the 1945 ta hoki ngasi 42 countries sakhat palebak sing da hokre aduga achobo career opportunity business sina piri world gi oina tonganba law leijai India da di 1996 ta lakhi direct selling se matam madu da su multinational company khara lakhi makhogi matau tamlaga India da haising ba mioi khara na direct selling bu product yaudana ki membership ta convert tawraga paisa yamna invest tawlaga pulap halaga chen khibagi wari ngaktani matamatu da direct selling gi law su semlam de aduna maram oraga business se ngasi panba haurubada yare khange ai tawdok tawramabani hekta hairakpani hojiti 2016 da Ministry of Corporate Affairs na law ma guidelines ama semle law sigi matungina direct selling tawge harbadi product based oigadabani product tusu company masana sajaba oigadabani marketed by su masana oigadabani haibasini maram guidelines asina ngasi 400 companies register on companies that submit tawraga lay scrutiny tawri guidelines in tas tawdaba company amata direct selling tawbo yararoi India da 90% company di masagi office building foul laitaba company na yambani bharagi company ngatani pradangna amana saba aduga amana market tawba company na yambani hojiti direct selling company amada career tawge khalabadi government ki www.mca.gov in da changbiro aduga yengbiro adom na join tawge yaubige khaliba company do asengbara sengdebra fake la masagi product la loina khanglagani mine hekta tawsi haiba company join tawdingai da website to da hana yengbiho so www.mca.gov.in da changbira kanda ahoigi Netsap Communication Private Limited sisu amani direct selling India the leading direct selling company amani company sigi website ta head changbada company sigi director Mr. Sanjay Malpani haiba nupa asi India da masagi company tratruk hena leizava Mr. amani aduga company sigi chairman amadi MD Mr. Sujit Jain sir si masagi 12 companies run tawjaba 12 companies ki mapuni aduna website asida hack changbada ko company sigi director amadi company sigi MD chairman sida hack click taw matamda company sigi financial background assets singi loina ubo phangani aduga Nensar haiba Nensar Communication Private Limited haiba company si 2001 da Pune Maharashtra da established tawkibni company sigi head office Pune ni aduga company sigi strong financial background oiba capital value asset usigi haiba MCA www.mca.gov.in da changbi rakanda soidagi khangba ngamgani 90% company di asengba chumba guidelines follow tawdaba company na yambani Nesab is one of the leading direct selling company in India masigi factory mari 73 world class product lay as per new law new norm Nesab is a leading company manamaduna law follow tawdaba company join tawrurabadi tha tarukre chahigi matungda soidana mutkhini adongi yamlaba matam mangba natana Nesab is a IT company masagi software saba company ama oirami 2001 da Pune da dagi Nesab na direct selling si khangakpadagi direct selling company si established tawgibani Nesab haiba company si nasu Covid cell haiba testing kit saba ahanba company ni masagi 9 floor oiba 40,000 square feet chawa office ni India da 90% di company gi masagi office laitaba company na ayambani ko aduna company sigi product range sidi agriculture range da agriculture products sing se organic ngangtani ko adagi healthcare range sida BP gi diabetes ki heart ki liver ki chakhau gi saru gi meat ki loinaba herbal based product ngangtani adagi vitamin therapy personal care products sing sida body care adagi home care range product range mari sida ni company sina puthoi ba products sing se 100% natural and herbal products ngantini 73 plus masagi on product world class product ni company sina puthok liba sariba products sing asi next da koi company sigi one of the very yamna kano tawningai oriba company sigi si join tawbada company si join tawbada free registration hack tawbada ko discount slab ama company sigi mipum khodimakta discount slab ama da chatli ko hack join tawbaga 90 days cooling off period haina tha ahum gi matam pi tha ahum sigi manungda somna lising mari gi ko product lobby we yagani 15% discount da lising mari se laitre harga su ko 100 200 500 tawra ga lising mari se suhan ba yai discount slab sigi matungina 0 to 3999 si 0% discount ni 4000 to 8999 da 15% discount laigani 9000 to 14999 da 20% discount laigani 15,000 to 29,999 da 25% discount laigani 30,000 and more above the amount loruk padadi 30% discount laigani so isa na apamba product on choice da lobi ba yagani hoji hariba company sina piriba discount si 20% discount MRP ko 2,500 ki product lobada rupees discount price rupees 2,000 ni 6,000 ki na 25% discount da 4,500 ni aduga 10,000 ki lauraga na 30% discount da 7,600 company is the hack join to the company is binary system ni 2 lakh system haibani isa leire isa ikhada mi ama yaure mi masi left aina laurasi amana right and laurasi 6,000 gi product laure in khalasi company asina atai company ga amata manada ba ma 6,000 je matching rupees ta matching tawraga match tawraga piwa incentive commission je india da atopa company amta leite net sap na tana low river amount 6,000 12,000 zigi 3% 360 se songi income commission oi doing ni aduna in 6,000 se yengo adigi 6,000 anis na su binary ni na mai makha da mi ani ni mari la ko matam da 24,000 total turnover is 24,000 ni 24,000 into 3% di 720 la ni ko aduna songi income is 720 adagi sidai da amuk spill plan na man lai spin plan na songi ikhada yauriba extreme left or extreme right se si amaga direct sponsor ai mi nong join to ba amaga su mu tongan be spin leg ama mu thok pa yai masidagi amuk su akoi generation income phang ba yai aduna joining plus repurchase ta ko ai left ta 1 lakh 1.5 lakh right ta na 1.5 lakh daurin tawsi total se minimum amount logani left ki 1 lakh right ki 1.5 lakh se dagi 1 lakh logani aduna total turnover se 2 lakhs lower kanda 2 lakhs ki 3% the 6,000 ko this is the 50,000 have a lemho riba paisa se next month ki carry forward tar kane ko next month ki atai company de flush out hoigani ko akoi nature communication private limited de lemho bo paisa se next month ki carry forward por kane aduna isagi total income je hek day one join to bodagi phangpa income je accumulate tor chakani aduga 50,000 hek hen bada hana 3% phangami je 4% da on gani ko 4% da 50,000 hek income hen bada next 1 lakh amuk tawreng khalasi 2 lakhs ko 2 lakhs gi 4% di 8,000 ko 8,000 in I commission organi after ai sagi 50,000 je ai income je 2 lakhs hek yauraba 2 lakhs hek yautar gadi ai no jip han mamang da pham 4% je 5% da all ani aduna net sub di my promotion je the rank to chate gold silver diamond to chate madi commission percentage ko adigi mathang da mu 1 lakh turnover amuk tawreng khalasi 2 lakhs ai income hen khragadi masi 5% da holani aduna 2 lakhs ki 5% di 10,000 ko 10,000 ge ai sai commission already after total income ko you will get 6% isagi income 10,000 10 lakhs helagadi nasagi 5% do maximum 6% do on total ni aduna example 1 lakh left right tawring khalasi 2 lakhs ko 2 lakhs gi 6% di 12,000 that is your commission from about 69 lakhs left 69 right lakh wakanda 1.3 crore business volume am tawreng khalasi 6% equal to capping income hai chu khangne 8,19,250 se capping income je tham da hoi income je payment je anirak thokna pibanina tham da 8 lakh anirak thokna phangbe ai capping income je 8,19,250 se ko kaigino hai kanda hoi income generate payout se date 1 to 15 na first cycle ni date second date 16 to date 30 or 31 na second cycle ni first generation je ansagi ai na hek direct sponsor to ba mi sing sina phangiba mai commission je total commission je sidagi aina 15% phangani second generation di 10% phangani third generation di amka sumu 10% phangani fourth generation da 5% 5 generation da 5% 6 generation da 5% 7 generation da 5% 8 generation da 3% aduga 9 generation da amka su 3% aduna pull up na 61% company sidagi akoi commission income oina akoi enjoy to boyai. Aduna after maintaining fast track, if your generation income adongi generation income sina adongi turnover income dagi hen bataragadi, then you will get double payout or double payment phangani. I did 35 lakhs left right towering kalazi 70 lakhs into 6%, 4,20,000. Sigi double income di I lakh 19,250. Sunate, so you can earn up to 24% commission. Oh, I lakh 19,250 say that natana. Oh, 25% commission amasu hoy pangbayay. Sige mathangda yam phajariba yamna atop company da tawdaba family protection plan ama Nasser Communication Private Limited na member kodimangta facility piri 3 lakhs medical claim policy for couples ko sahi amada lupa lakh ahum medical policy for couple 5 lakhs natural death insurance policy ek laitaba matamda lakh manga natural death insurance policy 2 to 25 lakhs accidental death policy lakh anidin lakh manga fawa accidental death policy se lay company asigi loyalty bonus haidana 10 lakhs after 15 years company sida isomisa 15 years join tawreng khalasi 15 years po ek suradi 10 lakhs se one time payment ni aduna company atopa amadada netsap na piriba family protection plan se kana gumba piba amata company India da leite si mathangda muchu nominee facility se kamain tawge hakanda ai by chance accidentally ai expire oigre ai gi nominee na ai gi business se aina phangiba income level to da amuk join to hobo yaba adumba nominee facility ni asisu 7 generation surod tarelak ko nominee se adum sinsilaga business to bo yaba adumba family protection plan ni haiba family protection plan asi isagi total income 2 lakhs suraba distributor business asi the joint or distributor khaktamak applicable oigani maramaduna business asi join tawraba matungda yam kan honabiyu aduga ops club se qualify oinaba honabiyu. So do not let to join this direct selling, one of the leading redefining Indian direct selling company, Nasser Communication Private Limited kumba company amata India da business plan, unique business plan oiba, transparency oiba, adi company amata laite haina ai haizeningi maramaduna company ase hojik inkhalali ba youth singna job seeker singna government asina thabak yam pigedage government asina akhoida kam yamna job opportunity pigedage aduna as per FICCI and KPMG gi report matungina India da 1.8 youth will be joining this business by 2025. So never let to join Nasser Communication Private Limited. Thank you.